Want to learn how to make the best chicken and dumplings and not make a big mess? That's what you'll get today on Southern Accent Foods. We'll use some great convenience products. Stick around and I'll show you what's up. Start by peeling a couple of carrots. Get some celery and a medium onion and dice everything up small. Get just a whisper of butter into a large Dutch oven over medium heat and add your veggies. Season everything with salt, pepper, and optionally some Cajun or Creole seasoning. Stir it all together and cook for about 6 or 7 minutes. Add in a couple cloves of sliced or minced garlic. Stir and cook for 1 more minute. Sprinkle in 4 ounces, that's about 1 cup of all-purpose flour to make a roux. Stir and cook for 5 minutes. Now we get to our first great convenience product, store-bought chicken stock. Pour it in, turn up the heat, and keep stirring as it thickens. Add in a couple of bay leaves. Make sure it's at a low simmer, cover, and let cook for 1 hour. While you wait, click that like button for me. It helps YouTube let more people know about my videos, and I really appreciate it. Next convenience ingredient, canned biscuits. You can roll out your own dumplings if you want, but you damn right I'm using canned biscuits. I love this bit right here. Watch this. Reminds me of my ex-wife in a bikini. Get just a little flour and flatten these biscuits out. Use a pizza cutter or just a knife and cut them into whatever size you like. Drop all the dumplings into the simmering mixture and stir so they don't stick together. Cover it back up and simmer for 15 more minutes. Next convenience ingredient, store-bought rotisserie chicken. Roast your own if you like, but I want to make this easy for you. Just pull this chicken meat and get ready to finish the dish. Stir in the roasted chicken meat at the end. Now you know how I feel about boiling or simmering chicken. I catch you trying to simmer chicken and I'm putting you on restriction and you won't have your video games for the whole weekend. Finally, we'll lighten things up and add in some half and half. Stir it up, pull out the bay leaves, and we're ready to eat. We just made some great chicken and dumplings and we didn't have to turn our kitchen upside down. I'll link to the recipe down below on southernaccentfoods.com. Join my community and get my newest recipes every week. If you'd like to make some more Southern favorites, click on this playlist.